Yep, flooded. Probably mold started in here, in this bathroom. I taped up the plastic pump that when it moves down, then the water would come in, and I also used the screwdriver to raise the level of this screw valve, I believe. So right now I just have a piece of tape to keep it from moving, and I've shut the water off. Just bought the place, moved in a week ago, came back from my Tito Bert's wake, the weekend of his passing. This is just great. And I'm sure my sister will have a good story for the cousins. And it looks like that the drains are not draining at all. You would think you would hear some gurgling or anything like that, but just you hear the splashing of my boots. And I took a plunger to the drain, and I think I pulled up a little bit of crap from the drain, and I don't hear anything draining at all. So actually kind of fortunate. I don't have anything, a lot of things on the ground when I left for Toronto. But my musical instruments, very important to me, were pretty much sitting on the ground, and I've lifted them off the ground and put them up on, as you see, shelves, bins. Forgot one. Be putting that. My alto, which is, I'm sure, waterlogged, and I'll have to get the pads changed. But yeah, I don't hear any draining. I don't see any water cyclones going down. So I think something is blocking it up. Yeah, I'm making the video. So there you have it.